That's right. Have you ever had a sweet tooth, but you just didn't want to heat up the house? Well, guess what? We're going to bake a cake in our waffle maker. I'm going to take about just under 1/4 of a cup. And we're going to make a 4x4 layered chocolate waffle cake. And we simply just didn't want to heat up the house. So, this is going to bake your cake in a matter of minutes. It's perfect. Green light is on. That means our cake should be about ready. Look. Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, what do we have here? We have, light and fluffy. We're going to make cakes. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now the beautiful thing in this is that we can let it cool, and we're going to frost it. So, I will be back once we get ready to do the frosting. But here you go. And did you see how easy they popped out? And no mess.